Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Summer is here, so it is that time of the year where it gets super hot, super sweaty, and it is the time for skin problems. So please don't forget to take care of yourself, hydrate, have lots and lots of water, and don't forget to drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water per day. So now is the time to take care of your skin more. So please take care of your skin to avoid pimples, dullness, and also tan. I'm super excited to introduce you guys to these products from Plum, which are customized to my skin type. This give me super radiant skin this summer. Plum is a range of products which are vegan and cruelty free, especially for skincare. And these products are really good for this summer, and they are really good quality products which I really love. So let's get into the skincare which I follow. So the first step what I do is obviously face wash. So this face wash is the green tea pore cleansing face wash, and it is a mild cleansing formula loaded with green tea extracts. It has glycolic acid and natural cellulose beads in it, which will leave your skin super soft and hydrated. It has gentle exfoliating properties, which is not harsh on the skin, and it also smells very good. Lather the face wash on your palms and then apply it on your face and massage it for a good 1 minute. This has gentle exfoliating beads which help in remove all the dead skin layer of your skin that is obtained from the sun damage that is caused every day with direct sun exposure. Also, don't forget to apply it on your neck as well. Use the face wash at least twice a day so that your skin is always refreshed. Also, do not overuse your face wash. Use it only twice a day. Use it in the morning and before going to bed. You have to use the face wash only twice. Do not overwash your face. That will also make your face super oily. After washing your face, pat it dry, and let's move on to the next step, which is toner. I'm using the green tea revitalizing face mist today as a toner, which is a quick spray face mist which is actually designed for combination to oily skin types. It is rich in antioxidant green tea, and it also contains soothing aloe juice. It can be used before your skincare, after your skincare, and even after makeup. You can use it anytime to spritz all over your face and feel refreshed. Now, before stepping out of the house, I am using the chamomile and white tea sheer matte day cream, which contains SPF 50 PA+++. This is a sheer matte formula which keeps your skin matte for up to 6 hours. It is specially designed to protect your skin from UVA and UVB radiation. And it also has chamomile which soothes your skin during and after sun exposure. This is completely matte on your skin, and it does not give you that white cast, and it is super good and long lasting as well. You will definitely like it if you try it. It might look a little white immediately when you apply it, but if you blend it really well, it gets absorbed into your skin really well and blends in well with your skin color. So give it a try it once, and then you'll definitely love it. And before leaving your house, don't forget to wear your mask. Don't forget to wear your sunglasses as well if you have to protect your eyes from the sunlight. Every now and then try taking in some coconut water, pineapples, watermelons, and every seasonal fruits possible that you can find in the market today. Also support all these small vendors who got really affected after COVID. No matter how hard we try to protect ourselves from the sunlight, we will get little tan and dullness by the end of the day. And to tackle that, I'm going to be using the chamomile and white tea glow getter face mask from Plum. This is a face mask which is not completely clay based, but it also has a proprietary mixture of chamomile extracts, white tea leaf extracts, licorice, and also 5 antioxidant leaf extracts in this face mask. So I take a good amount of this face mask, wash my face first, and then apply this face mask all over my face. So you have to leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before washing it off. The best part about this face mask is that it does not dry your skin completely like how usual clay mask does. It gives you a bit of tingly sensation in the beginning when you apply it. So if you're someone with very sensitive skin, then please do a patch test before applying it all over your skin. And I really like this face mask only because it gives that radiant look right after the first use. And make sure that you don't use it more than once a week. This is actually meant to be used only once a week, and use it only for 20 to 30 minutes and not more than that. Now for the night, I'm going to be washing my face with the same Plum green tea face wash, and I'm going to be using the night gel from Plum. So this is a super light gel formula which has green tea extracts in it. This is perfect for oily to combination skin. It is super light on your skin. I would personally love to use this in the day as well, as it is super light and it's very good for summer. This is so light that you don't even have the feeling of applying any product on your skin, but it still gives you that hydration that is needed for your skin. So I would highly recommend, and this is the favorite product among all the 5 of these products that I use from Plum. And please do try this as well, and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. Did you know that you can even send in all your product empties to Plum and then earn reward points instead? So check out their Empties for Good program in the description box below and follow the procedure to earn reward points for all the empties from products that you have. Also, there is a discount code of 10% that you get if you use the discount code that is put on the screen. So you can use that code to purchase Plum products from their website, and you absolutely get 10% off on all their products. So this code is applicable only from the Plum website, and it is not available on any other sites like Amazon, Nykaa or Flipkart. So please check the Plum website to avail this offer. So what is your summer routine? Please share us in the comment section below, and I would love to know that. And that's it for the video. I hope you guys found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit on the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. So I'll see you guys in another video very soon. Take care. Bye bye.